How to get a car dealer license in Maryland. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In step number 1, identify the type of license you need. Maryland offers 3 types: new vehicle dealer, used vehicle dealer, and wholesale dealer. If you want to sell both new and used cars, you will need to apply for both licenses. Establish a business location. Your dealership must be located in a zone that allows vehicle sales. You will need a zoning approval from your county official to include with your application. In step number 3, complete background check. All owners and partners with a financial interest in business must undergo a criminal background check through an organization approved by the Maryland State Police. Obtain a trader's license. The license is required to sell goods in Maryland, including vehicles. You apply for it at your local circuit court before submitting your dealer license application. Secure an auto dealer bond and liability insurance. You will need workers' compensation liability insurance and an auto dealer bond. Bond amounts vary depending on your dealership type, ranging from $15,000 to $150,000. Prepare for a site inspection. The Maryland Motor Vehicle Administration investigation division will inspect your dealership to ensure compliance with regulation. Proof of this inspection must be submitted with your application. Gather your application documents, including proof of insurance, business registration, and automotive repair facility contract and others. Make sure everything is ready before submission. Submit your application and PFA. The application fee is $450 for a 2-year license plus $100 for a dealer tag. You can mail your application to the MVA business address. Once approved, remember to renew your license annually. The MVA will send a renewal packet 2 months before your license expires. So be sure to submit the necessary forms on time. That's it.